Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today we're going to talk about campaign 6, best sales ever, and some Easter great ideas too. So I don't forget to show you, look at this gorgeous necklace that I have on. It is in the catalog and there's all kinds of other pieces that you can get to go with it. And some unadvertised specials are the best of beauty fix. Can you see what it says on that on there? It's kind of a fun little bag that it comes in, and you get the travel size of the Power Serum, the Cherry Jubilee lipstick. Look at this gorgeous size of the Skin So Soft, Soft and Essential Body Lotion. Great for traveling. It's all kind of travel size stuff. And the Ultimate Night Cream. And this is also TSA. You can carry it on your carry-on, all for $10. But you have to tell me about that you want it because it's not in the brochure. The one that is in the brochure is these fun ones, and these are called Spring into Color, and there are 3 different ones that they are, and you get a dual eyeshadow, a lipstick, and a nail polish, all for $15. And did I mark that page? I don't know if I marked that page. Yes, I did. And they come in 3 different colors. I got the reds. There's also a nude and a plum collection. And this is there. And you know me and skincare. Always have to tell you about something about skincare. Our cleansers and toners and the cleansing water are all on sale. Mix and match them, 2 for $14. So after you cleanse and toned, the toner or cleansing water helps get off that last little bit of residue and extra dirt that you get. So it's a great time to get your skin ready for your moisturizers and serums and such. So very big part, remember to do that. And Valentine's Day, even though it's tomorrow, I have to tell you about some of the fragrances. Little Black Dress, and a lot of them are on sale. But what's kind of cool this time is in the catalog, they put like the top note. So if you're looking for like blackberry or lily or whatever, those stand out. Magnolia, those kind of things stand out so you can see what's in the fragrance, which I thought was a cool idea. Charms. This was fun. It's a sun. We're sunny today. I am loving it. Our charms, we have a bunch of them, and they keep adding. And they are $3.99 a piece, or 3 for $10. And this is a fun way to make a fun necklace. And this time, instead of an A box, all of our hand creams, because it's our greatest sale ever, are on the back cover for $1.99. The full size. Look how big this is. $1.99. And at the very beginning of the catalog, the first 33 pages are a big clearance sale. And one of the things in there, and I never remember it at all, is this cool, it's mother of pearl, but it's mirrors, a regular and a 3D magnification one for $3.99. But I love this part. Look how little it closes to. So it can easily be put, and it's lightweight, so you can put it in your purse and not take up a lot of room. And stud earrings. I just thought these were gorgeous. You get 3 pair on this little cloth. There's like, well, I don't know how many different sets that you can choose from. They're on the page right back behind this necklace. And today I'm not telling you about a whole lot of stuff. I'm just giving you a quick overview of a few things, so it's not going to be as long. But like I said, Easter is coming. Look at these cool little egg holders. There's 4 different ones in the set, and they are very fragile, but they are so darn cute. You can put all kinds of things other than just eggs, like your change or whatever. But the bunnies are all doing different things on them. And they're $16.99 for all 4. And in the catalog this time, we have all kinds of Easter things in for you. These are trinket boxes and lights, all kinds of stuff. And one of my customers is just like a petite little thing. And this is one of the dresses that she ordered. It's the Ellen dress. It has the longer sleeves, and then it has, and this is one of the, you can get the tops in this kind of design too, which I thought was really cool. And that's all I have to show you today. I'll always make sure you look what I'm wearing too. You know me, I always forget to tell you things. But enjoy the gorgeous weather that we're having today and tomorrow for Valentine's Day. Thanks much, and hope you and your love of your life get to do something fun tomorrow. Take care. God bless. Base Winston, independent sales rep and national recruiter. Oh, and something I didn't tell you, remind you. You can always back order too, so campaigns 4 and 5 are still good. And we always have sales flyers. Well, we don't have as much because remember, the Living and the Mark are in the catalog now. But we still have a little sales flyer and outlets. And the very back of the catalog, I also got this little one in. The Sphere line. If you have not tried it, make sure you do. There is so many things. And if you are wanting a sample of something, ask me, because I possibly might have it, that we might, because we are making some samples of some of the Sphere line. And if you're really interested in it, I'll see my best to do to get you a sample. Base Winston, independent sales rep and national recruiter. Thanks for watching.